What if I told you that you could build a system right now that makes you $100 a day using nothing but ChatGPT and Google Sheets? No coding, no startup cash, no experience. Just two free tools and a bit of hustle. Sounds like a scam, right? But here's the truth. This exact strategy is being used by freelancers, side hustlers, and even small business owners to generate real daily income in 2025. And today, I'm going to walk you through how to do it, step by step, so you can copy it, customize it, and cash in. This isn't just a hack, it's a repeatable system. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint you can use to generate your first $100 a day online, even if you've never made a single dollar before. If you're new here, welcome to AI Hustle Hub, your go-to channel for actionable, beginner-friendly ways to make money using AI. If you're serious about building an income stream with tools like ChatGPT, subscribe right now so you never miss the next hustle drop. We go deep into side hustles that actually work, without the fluff. All right, let's get into the money-making system. This method combines the power of ChatGPT as a content generator with Google Sheets as your automation hub. Think of it as building a lightweight service business, but with 90% of the work handled by AI. Here's the premise. You'll be offering a niche database service like social media calendars, content repurposing spreadsheets, product descriptions, or even email sequence templates. And you'll deliver this using a customized Google Sheet powered by prompts and automation. Your back end, ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting. Your front end, Google Sheets makes it look clean, editable, and client-friendly. Let's start with a real-world example so you can visualize it. Let's say you decide to offer 30-day social media content plans for coaches, personal brands, or fitness influencers. Here's how you make it work. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT and feed it a structured prompt. Something like, create a 30-day content calendar for an Instagram fitness coach targeting busy moms. Include post ideas, captions, call to actions, and suggested hashtags. You can get even more specific by layering in the brand, tone, or preferred topics. Within seconds, ChatGPT will spit out an entire month of posts. Now, here's where the Google Sheets magic comes in. Take the raw data and organize it into a clean, editable spreadsheet with columns for date, post idea, caption, hashtag, and notes. You can even add drop-down menus or conditional formatting to make it more interactive. This becomes your digital product. Now imagine offering this for $50 per custom calendar on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or even directly through TikTok DMs or cold outreach on LinkedIn. 2 clients per day, and boom, there's your $100. But let's go deeper. To streamline your offer and scale this hustle, you'll want to build out template prompts inside Notion or a Google Doc. That way, every time you get a new client, you're not starting from scratch. You're just plugging in their niche, tone, and goals, and ChatGPT does the rest. You'll literally be delivering custom work in under 15 minutes per client. Here's where things get even smarter. Use Google Sheets formulas to auto-populate data like post dates, theme cycles, Motivation Monday, Wellness Wednesday, etc., or even rotate call to actions. You can even embed small scripts to turn your spreadsheet into an interactive client dashboard. This adds massive perceived value and justifies higher pricing. Want to go premium? Add bonus tabs like engagement tracking, caption rewrite options, or hashtag banks, all created or refined with ChatGPT. The whole deliverable becomes a $100 product, and clients will gladly pay that if you're solving a real problem like, what do I post this month? Let's zoom out and talk about marketplaces. Where do you sell this? Here are 5 fast options. 1. Fiverr. Create a gig titled, I'll create your 30-day Instagram content calendar using AI. 2. Etsy. Upload pre-simple sample calendars for popular niches, fitness, skincare, pet brands. 3. Facebook groups. Join groups for coaches, solopreneurs, or creators. Offer your service with a visual mock-up. 4. Reddit. Use subs like r/entrepreneur or r/freelance to drop value and attract leads. 5. Upwork. Set up a profile and bid on content creation jobs using your spreadsheet workflow. And let's not forget DM outreach. Open TikTok, search for new creators in your niche, and send a message like, hey, I build plug-and-play content calendars using AI. Want me to build you one free? If you like it, we can talk about a monthly plan. Boom, instant foot in the door. You just landed a client without a website, portfolio, or case study. Now I know what you're thinking. What about competition? Here's the thing. Most people who try this either never take action, don't optimize their workflow, or underdeliver. You're coming in with something different. Real structure, automation, speed, and professionalism. That makes you stand out. Let's talk tools real quick. To make this work, here's your basic stack. 1. ChatGPT 4. For generating captions, hooks, ideas, and scripts, you can also use Claude or WriteSonic. 2. Google Sheets for deliverables, client work, and templating. It's free and powerful. 3. Canva. Optional, but if you want to add branded visuals or PDFs, this levels you up. 4. Notion, great for organizing prompts, scripts, and workflow templates. And guess what? You can grab all these for free, or at least start with free tiers. That's why this method is so beginner-friendly. Low overhead, no risk, and super scalable. Here's a pro tip. Once you've done this manually 10-15 times, turn it into a digital product. Sell your content calendar template on Gumroad or Etsy. Use ChatGPT to write the listing. Use Canva to make mock-up previews. Sell it for $19, $49, and let it sell passively while you focus on custom work. One spreadsheet becomes 100 sales. Still here? You're clearly taking this seriously. Let's talk about the mindset that separates people who actually hit $100 a day and those who give up. Most beginners fail because they chase shiny tools, not systems. They spend hours testing different apps instead of building one repeatable offer. Don't do that. Find one thing that works, like this ChatGPT and Google Sheets combo, and double down. The goal isn't to try every AI tool. It's to master a workflow that prints value for other people and charges them for it. That's what this is, a real service, powered by AI, delivered fast, with minimal work on your part. Still think you can't charge $100? Here's the pricing breakdown. $29 for a basic calendar, no visuals, just ideas and captions. $49 for a branded calendar, includes CTA options and hashtags. $199 for a premium package, multiple platforms, engagement tracker, bonus hooks. You can offer these as one-time packages or sell them as monthly retainers. That's how you build recurring revenue. Let's go one layer deeper, batching. Use 1 day a week to fulfill 5-10 calendars. That gives you free time the rest of the week. You're not selling your time anymore. You're selling your system. Now imagine scaling this. You train a virtual assistant to run the ChatGPT prompts and format sheets for you. Suddenly you're managing, not doing. That's how this $100 a day hustle turns into $1,000 a week and then $3,000 a month. And here's your final edge. Document the journey. Post your progress on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Twitter. Share wins, show behind the scenes, teach the method. You'll attract clients organically, and even turn your own hustle into content that makes money. So to recap, use ChatGPT to generate content for a high-demand niche. Deliver the final product through Google Sheets. Market it as a done-for-you service that saves clients time. Sell it on Fiverr, Etsy, Upwork, or directly via DMs. Scale by outsourcing and automating. It's real, it works, it's scalable, and it's happening now. If this video opened your eyes, imagine what else we're building at AI Hustle Hub. Subscribe right now and turn on that notification bell, because we're dropping game-changing AI monetization plays every single week. Let me know in the comments, would you try this ChatGPT x Google Sheets hustle? And what niche would you start in? Fitness, real estate, online coaching? Pick one, try it for 7 days, and report back. This is the future of digital work, and you're early. Now go build it.